Hello, good people. Currently, you are watching Metro TV Friday, 7 February with me, Risma and Safira. Today's news, we will see the result of the vote count for today's general election. We will invite you to only ask one of the KPU commissioners, Puji, directly. Good afternoon, Bu Puji.
Good afternoon.
This is related to the real results that have been calculated by the KPU. To that, what percentage of the data has been entered to?
Currently, at 12 from 8. Currently, at 12 from 823 to 136 TPS. Namely 6.8%. The result can be seen for the election of president and can be president.
Okay, thank you very much, Bu Puji, for your time to interview with Metro TV this afternoon. That was our interview with the KPU. Where up to now, the process is still on progress, cannot be used as the main benchmark regarding the victory of one of
Hello good people, currently you are watching Metro TV Friday 17 February with me, Puji. Today's news, we will see the result of the vote count for today's general election. We will invite you to jointly ask one of the KPU commissioners, Risma, Adelia, directly. Good afternoon, Mr. Good afternoon, Risma.
Good afternoon.
This is related to the result that have been calculated by the KPU today. What percentage of the data has been entered to?
Currently at 12 feet, 823 to 136 TPS, normally 64.8%. The result can be seen for the election of president and vice president.
Okay, thank you very much, Risma, for your time to interview me with Metro this afternoon. So, that was our interview with the KPU. We're up to now, the process is still on. Progress cannot be assessed as the main benchmark regarding the victory of one of the candidates.